6 and 3/16, so probably 6 1/4 is to the bottom of my 2-inch chunk. So if I'm going to mount on this, I'm wishing I had a 2x6. Well, yeah, I was planning to blast nails into the brick. Well, we can, you know what? No, better idea. We can put a piece this way, and then we'll put a piece this way on top of it, and that'll provide even more of a shelf, and that'll get us up to the height. That would be perfect. We'll do that.
What do you have? Two 2x4s look like they stuck in there, right?
Yeah, they're just like, hey, this is how we're gonna do it. All right, we'll get the little back, and we'll back off the top of these. We'll get the level out here. We'll check and see how this looks. Yeah. All right. So.
Alright, what's next? Oh, I didn't really vacuum. Let me vacuum there.
Oh, there you go.
Sorry, I was like. All right,
for the gram. It's not too bad.
there we go.
Tight. Yeah.
That looks so good. Yeah, wow. Yeah, it really looks good.
Oh my gosh, I love it!